TxtVideo Direct Review, TxtVideo Direct Review Demo Tutorial and Bonus. Click the link to check out the bonuses I have in store for you. What is TxtVideo Direct? TxtVideo Direct helps to boost your profits by turning your normal videos into supercharged engagement tools and conversion magnets. This unique groundbreaking video marketing is sweeping the world and was used with unbelievable success during this year's Superbowl commercials. TxtVideo Direct allows you to add images and GIFs, add personalization, add custom backgrounds, add moving backgrounds, add call to action full screen forms, add call to action CTA buttons. All of this right inside these amazingly easy to create but powerful videos. Videos that will skyrocket your engagement, conversions, and your sales can go through the roof. Create highly engaging and fully customizable text videos in minutes. And add images, GIFs, personalization, custom backgrounds, and call to action buttons right inside the video to skyrocket leads, retention, and conversion rates. Just follow these 5 easy steps. 1. Log in to TxtVideo Direct. 2. Create a story. 3. Create a TxtVideo Direct. 4. Choose your background, text, personalization and call to action. 5. Download, share with your audience and connect with them instantly. Create highly engaging and powerful text videos with images and GIFs in minutes. Add personalization. This is a complete game changer and will increase engagement on every video. Add custom backgrounds to enhance the overall look and feel of every TXT video. Add motion backgrounds to appeal to the creative minds of your customers. Add full screen call to action forms to have your customers click and go to your website, blog, sales page, social profile and more. Add call to action buttons to spark interest in your products and services. Once again, having the customer click and go where you want to take them. With TxtVideo Direct, success is at your fingertips. Hope you like our TxtVideo Direct review and click the link to check out our amazing TxtVideo Direct bonuses. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel.